Okay, what he's going to do is he's going to turn sideways to the creek. He's going to break his material up. You see him breaking it up. He's going to turn it around and get to the flow of the water, and he's going to let the water just run through this thing. See this? Water's just rushing through it, flushing through, taking out the lightweight particles. You're going to give it just a little movement there to help the rocks move around. Get it down in the water, Justin. Take it down deeper. There you go. Let the water work. Okay, what would have took, I don't know how long, when most people's gold pan, just took him about 20 seconds or a little better.
And you can keep shoveling back on.
Oh yeah, put some more in it. You don't have to stop. Yeah, throw some more dirt in there and do it again. Let's show them what you really can do with it. Here, let me turn this around here. We're going to put another couple big old humps in there. Now this time when you turn around and get in the water, put it in front of you so you don't get mud on you. That's something I learned a long time ago. It makes it easier. Spin around. There you go, see? Now it's not getting you all muddy. Okay, I got you in there now. See him breaking the material up, shaking it, agitating it. He's going to break it and shake it and agitate it. And then he's going to rotate. Whoa, backwards. Turn around. Turn the flow around. There you go. See, he'll get there. Now watch this thing flow out, guys. Do you see this material flowing out of this box? Okay, Justin, just go ahead and take it down and let the water work it. You don't have to bump it so much. Let the water work. Let the water push it. It'll push that stuff right on through. It's going to take a lot of them sands out of there. Now what you're going to do with a gold pan, you're going to be out there 2 or 3 minutes probably, unless you're good. And then you're going to be still out there a while. But he's done 2 pans now, and he's still less than 2 minutes on 2 panfuls of this stuff. And we're going to bring it over here and see what come out of it, I guess.
2 full shovels.
2 full good big old shovels into the pan. And we're digging pretty much in a good little spot, we think, right here. So we're going to see what happens. And when you get ready to clean, you just splash the water in and dump it in your pan like that. It's all cleaned out. Look at this. Clean.
Shovel and shovel and
shovel. Clean, ready to go again.
30, 40 shovels, you ain't going to lose no gold.
Yep, you can just keep on putting it in. And we're going to let him do this right here, see what kind of look we get out of what he's going to do here.
Sand.
Oh man, look at all this black sand, folks. Let me bring in a little closer here. Bring in on zoom in, man. I can zoom in on that. Look at all that black sand. Okay. Take it on down. Let's see what's there. We ain't worried about losing it. We in the creek. If you lose anything, the gold gods will be happy. And they'll bless us in the future. You know that works. Some people don't believe in that. But I have to tell you, I do. I believe the gold gods will treat you right if you treat them right. So, anytime you got a pan that's got a couple specks in it, just flip them back to the good old earth. Maybe they'll multiply. At least tomorrow I'll feel like I got more.
There's a couple little tiny specks in there.
A couple tiny specks in there?
Yeah.
Well, we didn't run that much. We only threw 2 shovels in it.
Yeah.
Let me see there. You got something a little bit there? Oh, yeah. I see one. Uncover. Yeah. But look, folks, that's how quick it was to clean and easy to do. And here it is, ready to go again, set up. And all he's got to do is throw another shovel full of dirt and go again. No, so that's the way we work it. Justin, let me thank you, buddy, for all the help this weekend. I hope you've had fun out here doing the diggings and going to places I've took you. And like I say, I hope we found us some gold. And whatever we got, you're going to take it to the house with you. You know that. Oh, and you YouTubers, I want y'all to keep your eyes out, because from now on, Justin's going to have not just that little sluice of mine, but he's going to have one of these big boys over at his house. And a new updated gold ram. So we're going to hook him up so he can keep entertaining y'all with some good stuff, okay? Talk to you later, guys. Next time.